Hi. Little handsome. Yeah, well, you woke her up. Pushed her off. Where'd she go? Well, what do you expect? Oh, back down. You got a bite? Water? Jeez. Thirsty. Thirsty boy. Another bite? Yum. Okay. Ah. Go climb up the chair again? Whoop. Where'd you go? More? Say more, please. More, please. Okay, take two. Kitty. Look at you, big boy. Look at you, big boy. You're so cute. You're just chilling? Chilling like a big boy? With your SpongeBob's? With your SpongeBob feet? It's your toe. It's your toe moving under there. Oh, don't do that. Ew, not on camera. Oop, there goes a cat. Oh, where'd she go? She's getting away. Where'd she go? No, not like that. I don't climb like that. That's right, backwards. That's right. That's how we get down. Good boy. Oh, good boy.